LuLu&TuiTui.
Hello, little artists. Today's color is blue. Can you say blue? Let's explore all the blue things together.
Blue is the sky, so high and bright. Blue is the ocean, deep in the night. Blue is the bird that sings a tune. Blue is the color of the big full moon. B-L-U-E, spell it out with me. Blue like a whale swimming in the sea. B-L-U-E, what a lovely view. Paint the world with the color blue. Blue are my shoes when I jump around. Blue are the bubbles that float off the ground. Blue is my hat and blue is the ball. Blue is the biggest color of all.
Look up! The sky is blue and bright, like a big cozy blanket above us. Here's a little bluebird who loves to sing sweet songs. Look at the blue moon. It's sleepy and glowing in the night sky. Splash! A big blue whale is swimming by. Let's wave hello. Wow, the ocean is blue and deep. Can you hear the waves? Let's say it together. All the blue things we saw today. Blue sky, blue bird, blue moon, blue whale, blue ocean. Blue is calm, blue is cool, and blue is everywhere. Let's paint a dinosaur. A Stegosaurus. What color should we use? Yes, blue. Can you help us paint the bumpy plates on its back?
Spell it out with me. Blue like the sky, happy and free. B-L-U-E, what a lovely view. TuiTui and Lulu both love blue. Blue is calm, blue is cool. Blue can be fun and blue can rule. In the day or in the night, blue is always a pretty sight. Now we know what blue can do. Let's find blue things, me and you. Blue is cool, blue is bright. Say bye-bye blue and wave goodnight.
Bye-bye. See you next time for a new color.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun songs and videos.